In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a WordPress website with Hostinger all in just 5 minutes. It's a fast and straightforward process, perfect for anyone eager to bring their ideas to life online. So let's dive right in and get started. Begin by navigating to the Hostinger website. Hostinger provides an easy to use platform, making it an ideal choice for creating your WordPress site. Once you are on the Hostinger homepage, it's time to log in. Click that login button at the top right corner. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to sign up. It's worth it for the features and affordability Hostinger offers. Once logged into your Hostinger account, you'll find yourself on the home page. Now the home page can seem a bit overwhelming with all its options, but don't worry, we're going to keep it simple. Look for the option named Websites. This is your gateway to creating and managing all your websites. Give it a click. With the websites menu open, the next step is adding a new website. You'll see the add website button, click on it. This is where the real fun begins. Adding a new website means you're ready to start customizing and setting up your WordPress site. Now a key point to note is that you'll need to choose WordPress as your platform. In the menu that pops up, click on WordPress. Hostinger's integration with WordPress makes it incredibly convenient to set up. However, keep in mind that to proceed, you'll need to ensure that you have a WordPress hosting plan, or you'll need to purchase one. Hostinger frequently offers competitive prices, so it's a great time to explore the options they have available for WordPress hosting. At this stage, once you've purchased the necessary plan or confirmed your existing one, the WordPress setup wizard will guide you through the rest of the process. Hostinger's wizard is intuitive and straightforward, walking you through site naming, adding themes, and selecting any specific plugins you might need. They truly take the headache out of the setup, offering a seamless journey from idea to accessible website. Take advantage of the features available and let your creativity flow. Remember, building a WordPress website with Hostinger is not just about getting a site up and running, but also about crafting a space that reflects your brand or personal style. In minutes, you'll have a robust foundation to begin creating content that captivates your audience. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on setting up your WordPress website with Hostinger in record time. As you continue to explore the vast functionality and customization WordPress offers, enjoy the process of making your digital footprint unique and engaging. Thanks for watching and happy site building.